Hello? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Fatima Hotel. How may I help you?
I want to reserve a deluxe room.
Okay, may I know your name, sir?
John Edward Dawson.
Your address and contact information.
596 MacArthur Highway, Malanday, Valenzuela City. My number is 0927-831-4637.
May I repeat, sir? 596 MacArthur Highway, Malanday, Valenzuela City, and your contact number is 0927-831-4637.
Yes.
When is your arrival date and in what time?
On Saturday, around 10 a.m.
When is your departure?
Sunday afternoon.